Amazing ways to use honey for clear, healthy and glowing skin. Do you know that honey helps to soothe, moisturize, protect, and heal your skin? Also, honey helps open the pores, helping clear away dirt. Because honey is antibacterial, it is very effective in the prevention and treatment of acne. Honey also moisturizes the skin and is a humectant, actually drawing moisture to the skin. Honey is extremely beneficial for the face and the skin. It has wound healing, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help with skin issues, such as acne, dull and dry skin, and uneven skin tone. Combine honey with superfoods for healthy, glowing skin. Just mix 2 tablespoons raw or manuka honey, with half a teaspoon turmeric. Use wild turmeric to avoid staining. This combination is great to heal, protect, and clear skin. Mix everything well. Apply a thin layer on clean face for 15 minutes and rinse it off. You can as well use this mask to brighten, hydrate, smooth skin and moisturize. Mix 2 tablespoons yogurt. Use natural Greek yogurt, with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply it and leave the mask on for 20 minutes and wipe it off with a warm towel. Furthermore, you can combine honey with oil to promote healthy, glowing skin. Mix 4 tablespoons jojoba oil, or any other non-comedogenic oils, with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Kindly apply 2 to 3 drops on your skin, and massage it in for 5 minutes. Leave it on for 30 minutes or overnight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and also share this video with your friends, since they will be asking how you got your skin so glowing. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and always stay healthy.